Hey guys, what's up? This is Shubari from eGadgets for you, and I have my son Prince with me.
Yes. So my papa was busy and I had exams. So here we today came.
Yeah, we came today here, nah. So we are starting. We are back after a long time, and yeah, the series needs to go on. And what do we have in this video?
We have the iPhone 16 Pro Max.
So it's iPhone time. Let's unbox the iPhone and have the Apple charger, 30-watt charger also. So unbox this also. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with unboxing now, and we have my knife over here to let go of this seal thing. I have purchased this particular iPhone 16 Pro Max from the Apple website, and yes, I had booked it on 17th of September. It was not on the pre-booking day, and they actually gave me a delivery couple of days back, but it was Durga Puja season over here, so I was busy with my family, and so I couldn't get it done. And now we are here. Okay, I think I made a mess of it. Okay, so this is the packaging.
Oh
And
my god.
there it is. There it is. There it is. It just protrudes it out. How do you like it?
Yes, that is good. So now can I unbox it?
Of course you should. Now,
Okay.
you know how to unbox this, na?
Yeah.
It's
Is
just
there a
that
tape?
there is a tape, yeah.
Okay.
You need to open this. No, not from here. See, the arrow is from here, na? Awesome job. Before anything else, before I open the box, I just want to make sure of one thing, that yeah, country of origin is still China. Not happy about it being an Indian. Being an Indian, I'm not happy at all.
Yep.
Anyways, let's go ahead.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what is that?
Just look at this, guys.
No, you have to do it from here. Yeah,
Look at. We have.
wait,
Can I open it?
you should open it, but do it.
So nice. That's so good.
Yeah, this is a first look of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, initial impressions, I thought that it would be much heavier, considering it's a 6.9-inch screen now. But no, it's not that heavy at all. Okay, I have already got some little smudges of my hand on the screen of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let us first apply the screen protector, or before anything else, let us just go ahead and find it. Will be a quick one. It's just this particular braided cable that we find over here, and apart from that, a seam ejector tool. And as you know, guys, there is of course no stickers and just some basic manuals. We don't need this to open it. It's basic stuff. Let's get aside all the things and let's first protect our iPhone. It's way too costly, way too costly. So guys, I've actually purchased this particular Rinke screen protector and also the backup from Rinke. So this is a easy to install guide, and it's not at all sponsored. It includes a 2-pack one, and again you can find some sellotaping over here.
Whoa.
Okay,
Whoa.
this thing actually comes with an installation kit over here. Another screen protector is over here. The cleaning kit is here, as you can see. Yeah, it's a pull tab one. So we'll do it. Before that, let me go ahead and use the cleaning kit. Okay, first thing first, opening the cleaning kit, and cloth, stickers, the weightier, and the squeeze card. Okay, put the squeeze card for now. The wet wipes, let me take it out, and using the wet wipes, let us clean the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The first thing to do. It's way too costly, man. Before doing anything else, I have to protect it. Okay, once applying that, use the dry cloth to wipe off the wet wipes leftovers on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you follow the instructions clearly, it says that the pull tab should go over here. The slide bar, press and slide is over here. This is the top. It's also marked top and back. Sorry, the bottom one. I just have to align it nicely so that it fits the iPhone 16 Pro Max perfectly. I think it's done. Yeah, it has fit perfectly. I can squeeze it and fill that thing, and now it's very easy, simple, easy steps. It says pull. You need to hold it and just pull it. Pull off the entire thing. Okay, now I have actually seen it has actually started, this particular screen product has actually started pasting on itself. Now it says press and slide, press and slide. Okay, I think it's done. So I just need to press it and take away this particular thing, the product, and you have to keep it in case you need the second one that is inside that. And just using the smudge tape, I'm doing as good as I can. So guys, everything done and dusted, and yes, it was super easy to install the Rinky screen protector. It's easy, and you can see, whoa, you cannot feel it. Prince, will you go in and switch on the iPhone for me?
Do it. I think we need charge.
No, there is Apple logo.
Yeah. The first time we are using the iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Yeah,
And
the Pro
this
Max
is
series.
the
Yeah.
large one. The large.
Yeah, and I have used the 13 Pro, and for the past 1.5 years I had no iPhone, and I was actually using the S23 FE. The reason being my iPhone 13 Pro got screen damaged and they were charging me 35,000 rupees for the repair, so I have sold it. And yeah, this is a screen. Okay, the Hola, Namaste, Hello screen. Let me go ahead very quickly and set up the iPhone. English, India, and yes, appearance, choose how you would like text and icons to look on iPhone. Default is pretty good for me. Setup, looking for nearby devices. Yeah, I don't have any iPhone lying near me, so set up without any another device. Written and spoken languages, dictation, customize settings. Yes, English, India, emoji, at keyboard. Let me see what are the options. Okay, it says Bengali.
You need Bengali also?
Yeah, why not? Standard. It is giving you the options, so you should do it, and also you can do Hindi. So these are the languages I speak in India. Standard is good for me, I think. Done. So let's continue now. Dictation, English and Hindi. Yeah, that sounds good. Choose a Wi-Fi network. It has already detected my Wi-Fi. It is running Wi-Fi 7 in this particular iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me go ahead and give the password. So yeah, it's done, and it says it may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. Yeah, we have plenty of time, man.
Yeah.
Okay, it says software update with important bug fixes is available for this iPhone. You can choose to update now or later in stages. I will update now because I am aware of the bugs that were there in the iPhone, and I guess this is 18.01, iOS 18.0.1. so yeah, at the end of the day I have to agree. So there was an issue with update. Why?
I don't know.
Let me see again.
Nowadays.
Now it's going on, right? So yeah, let us give it some time. Okay, after it has downloaded the updates, it has started updating on its own, as you can see over here. The progress bar is over here, so let it complete and then we'll be back. So yeah, the update is done. Let it continue. Quick start setup with another device, customize settings. Yeah, these are done. Continue. Continue. Okay, the first improve data and privacy. Yeah, it's very important. Setup for myself. Continue adding a face ID. This is very important. Get started. Use face ID with a mask. I don't need it. Face ID is now set up. Continue and create an iPhone passcode. Let me just go ahead and do that also. Now transfer your apps and data. This is very important, and I actually need this. So yeah, it's signing in inside my Apple account that I have, and I actually use my MacBook Pro. So the security code also came in over there, and I had to enter it, and so it's doing its process. And now guys, this part is also very important. It says set up your mobile services. If you are using eSIM, or whereas in India you can actually use a physical SIM and the other SIMs can be used eSIM, so you will actually need to do it using this particular service where you can transfer from your nearby iPhone, and if you don't have an iPhone you can use a QR code and do it. So now I don't need, I'm actually using a physical SIM, so set up later in settings. It helps me. I do keep track of that so that I'm not hooked onto my phones always. No, never share with Apple. Let's go for the dark one. Oh, the light one. I think for a start let's do with the light one, and then I will switch to the dark mode. Okay, silent mode. You can toggle silent mode on and off, or check its status in control center. That's good. And this is a new action button, guys. Yeah. So this is the action button that is here from the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max series, and in 16 all the series are having it. So let me customize it now. Okay, the silent mode, focus, camera, we have a dedicated camera control, not a button. Yeah, it's a button. Anyways, torch, voice memo, recognize music, translate, magnifier. No, actually I'll keep it in silent mode. I prefer it that way. It will be good. Camera control. Okay, it is not saying button. The previous one said action button, but it's not a button. But yeah, I can see it's button. It's continue. Let me hit continue over there, and here it's actually highlighting it. I know it. Siri. Let me set up Siri as well. Siri is ready. That's good. Continue. Share audio readings. No.
Sorry, I can't send audio messages for you.
Actually, the Siri in my MacBook Pro got activated. Ha ha ha. Emergency SOS. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up, and yeah, this is the first look, guys. Got my iPhone. Got to use my iPhone after 1.5 years. This is awesome. The road, the cold. Dude, how do you like it, Prince?
Very, very good.
Yeah. So let's use it, and then we will come back with a detailed review whatsoever. That will be it, guys, for this particular video. Very soon a lot of videos are to be followed. As you can know, a dedicated camera review, so as to say, of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and most of the other stuffs are also coming out soon in my channel. Please stay subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and share the video with your friends and families. It does help the channel. That will be it, guys, for this particular video. Bye for now.